Mga larawan ni Miss Catherine Bernardo na may kasamang lalaking tisoy, abay usap-usapan sa social media hanggang sa ngayon. And Mr. Alden Richards, kung saan ay meron po siyang napakagandang news no na ibabalita sa kanyang mga fan this year 2026. So yan ang pag-uusapan natin. But before that, if you haven't and for today's video, let's talk about this one. Dahil nagsisilbi o talaga namang pinag-uusapan pa rin ang ilan sa mga photos nitong si Miss Catherine Bernardo, at ito po ngayon ay talagang nagiging debate sa lahat po ng mga fans at bashers si Miss Catherine. Dahil a photo allegedly showing Catherine Bernardo dining with Mr. Mark Alcala at an upscale restaurant along Makati Avenue has gone viral, stirring press speculation about the rumored affair only to be quickly questioned by netizen. So talagang hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin po sila tumitigil no sa pagdidebate patungkol dun sa isang photo sa lumabas na parang nagkaroon ng ka-dining di umano si Miss Catherine ano. The image was first posted on Facebook by self-described Katniel fans who claim to have seen the actress with the mayor in person. The uploader expressed mock heartbreak in the caption, suggesting that Catherine had already moved on, and added hashtag linking the actress and the local chief executive. So isang fan po ng Katniel ang nag-post po ng mga photos na yan. At alam niyo po kung tutuusin kung titignan natin, we cannot deny the fact that it was really Catherine. Si Catherine talaga yan, di na natin pwedeng i-deny yan, kitang-kita naman. At meron din mga photos po na nagkalat ngayon na parang si Catherine Bernardo ay nakasuot din ng ganyan brown, naka-up shoulder, nakatayong hair, naka-gold earrings. May mga photos na nagsasurface ngayon Masyado lang tayong in denial sa katotohanan na ito po mga bagay na ito no. However, the post immediately raised eyebrows. Several netizens pointed out that the photo only showed two people from behind with no clear view of their faces. Other questions why in a crowded restaurant no other photos or eyewitness accounts surfaced if the sighting were true. So sinasabi po nila na kung totoo daw to no, bakit daw walang mga talagang masasabi mo na pictures na nakaharap sila, sabi nga ng mga netizens sa social media, kung totoo daw yan, bakit ito namang nag-upload ng photos hindi na lang daw hinantay na tumayo yung dalawa at picturean nang nakaharap sila para talagang wala na pong pag-uusapan. Some users went further by sharing another image of the women in the viral post, claiming that she was not Catherine Bernardo. So meron pong ibang anggulo na nagsasabing hindi si Catherine yan. Message sent to the original uploader reportedly went unanswered, fueling suspicions that the post was clickbait intended to gain engagement. So dahil po doon, umani po ng mga bashing no, yung nag-post nito na sinasabing nag-post lang daw sila para talagang maka-reach po sila ng engagement, para marami pong mag-shares, maraming mag-view no ng kanya pong mga post. Dahil dito talagang pinag-usapan ng todo to ng mga netizen. A source close to the actress also denied the claim, saying that Catherine was not at the said restaurant on the date mentioned. So yun, sinabi po dyan ng ilan sa mga malalapit kay Miss Catherine Bernardo na si Catherine daw ay hindi tumapak dyan sa restaurant na yan noong mga time na nagba-viral yung photos na yan. So which means dinideny po ng company Catherine that it was Catherine Bernardo. Rumors linking Bernardo and Alcala have circulated online in the past, particularly that after they were allegedly spotted in similar social settings, still no official confirmation has ever been made by either party regarding the nature of their relationship. So talagang kumbaga parang they are not yet ready, or talagang wala talaga silang relasyon. Ilalawang klase lang yan. It's either magkarelasyon sila or talagang ginagawa lang sila ng issue at nililink lang talaga yung pangalan ni Catherine Bernardo. Kaya nga sabi ng ilang mga netizen, bakit daw hindi kayang i-display ni Catherine itong si Mayor? Hindi daw ba siya proud sa kanya pong recent or dito po sa kanyang present boyfriend? So kaya naman mas lalo pong mas hinangaan si Daniel kasi very proud po siya and very loud na talagang fineflex itong si Kayla Estrada sa publiko. 'Di ba? So, kaya naman hanggang ngayon ay debate pa rin po yan sa social media, lalo-lalo na po sa X, no, na dating Twitter. Kasabay nito ay nagbigay din ng napakagandang news si Mr. Alden Richards sapagkat si Alden Richards po ay partners with film companies from LA for a Big Tiger. Hindi na lang siya basta actor ngayon. Siya po ngayon ay isa na ring international actor at the same time producer and director. Ito na po yung kanyang level ngayon, ano? Mukhang siya maglalaylo siya sa pag-arte, pero mas bibigyan niya ng pansin yung kanyang mga companies, no? Alden Richards, 33 years old, is filled with excitement as his film company Myriad Corporation co-producers his upcoming international film Big Tiger. So meron po mga lumalabas sa mga teaser yan na pinabura po ng mga management kasi parang it's not about time para i-release yon, pero pinapangunahan ng ilang mga netizen. So Los Angeles studio is a film company headed by Matthew McClure, Burns and Sawyer, is a motion picture camera and production equipment rental company headed by Filipino businesswoman Masi Acevedo. So talagang papunta na sa pang-international na talaga itong si Mr. Alden, ano? And inaasahan natin na meron po siyang ilalabas sa pinibagong movie na ginawa po sa ibang bansa. Ganon po yung kanyang atake ngayong 2026, no? Talagang mas bibigyan niya ng pansin to. Kaya no wonder kung bakit hanggang ngayon ay wala pa rin talagang love life si Alden, kasi nga parang mas nagfo-focus siya ngayon dun sa karera niya. And parang talagang wala talagang siyang time, no, para dito. So, as a press con held December 21st, 2025, Alden introduced his partners as well as the lead star of Big Tiger. Joining the lead cast are Filipino actress Max Collins, American Chinese actor Byron Mann, and American actress Catherine McNamara, Shadowhunters, Walker, and Independence. The film director Keone Waxman, The Keeper, Deadly Crossing, and The Ravine was also present at the press con. Talking about how the project came about, Alden said his representative for Myriad have been flying to Los Angeles for the past 2 years to look for collaborators. So ganun pala yung ginawa nila, parang sila mismo yung naghanap ng pwede nilang makakolab, ano? At naging successful naman yung kanilang paghahanap dahil ito na, meron na siyang na-produce at bagong international movie na ilalabas this year 2026. Kaya naman abangan po natin yan kasi finally, isa sa mga dream project po ni Mr. Alden ay nagawa niya na, no? Kaya pala sobrang parang very busy din si Mr. Alden nung taong 2025 kasi yung pala talaga yung kanyang pinaglalaanan ng oras. Sa ngayon, si Mr. Alden po ay nasa bakasyon kasi nasa US po siya kasama ng kanyang family dahil magbe-birthday na po siya this coming January 2. So doon niya po i-celebrate yung kanyang kaarawan. So kaya naman, congratulations Mr. Alden Richards for the success of your movie this year 2026. So that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, DarEds TV and DarEds channel. God bless everyone.